So in this experiment, we'll be making elephant toothpaste. I made a video earlier with elephant toothpaste, but that was with 3% peroxide and 6% peroxide. The concentration of peroxide is what determines how strong the reaction is going to be. It's going to be an exothermic reaction. So in this one, I'll be using 12% peroxide. So for this experiment, I'm going to be using 2 bottles because I want to compare the reaction. You're going to need some peroxide. So this is my 12% peroxide right here. Got some graduated cylinders. I'm going to put 100 milliliters of peroxide in each bottle. You're going to need food coloring. So the colors I chose sky blue, and I just chose pink because I want it to be more colorful. You're gonna need activation yeast. This is key. The yeast acts as a catalyst in this lab. And you're gonna need some dish soap. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour my 100 milliliters of peroxide into the bottles. Also, you're gonna need something, some kind of tray or something to catch the overflow. I need a little bit more peroxide. That may be too much. All right, so pour the peroxide. Then you're gonna add like 4 or 5 drops of your food coloring. Then you're gonna add that's my water. Then you're gonna add, let me close the peroxide up, about 2 or 3 drops of dish soap. Then you're just gonna shake it up and mix it up. You're gonna need a funnel. Let me get the funnel. So I have my funnels. Now I'm gonna take my yeast and cut it open. And you're gonna put about an inch of water for the yeast. You'll get about an inch of water. Put the whole package in there. And then you just kind of mix it up, stir it. Stir it for about 30 seconds. So you want to stir the yeast up. And then you're gonna pour it in the funnel and you're gonna immediately take the funnels out. of the reaction is going to occur. Wait, so that should be good. Now we do the other one. So like I said, the concentration of the peroxide is the key. So normal, regular household peroxide that you use, that's 3% peroxide. Then you can go to 6%, you got 12%, 20%, 60%. So the one I did in the first, when I did this a couple of weeks ago, I used 3% and 6% to see if it was really a difference. The 6% did do a little more. All right, so here we go. Let's see if the 12% makes a difference. So it definitely made a difference because it shot out faster. It didn't shoot out higher, but compared to the other two that I did, this one definitely shot out faster, and it seems like it's producing way more than the other one did. So yeah, the 12% definitely produced more elephant toothpaste than the 3% and the 6%. I would try to try to find like 20%, but I'm not gonna do that. Now, if you touch the bottle should be hot, so you can't tell through the video, but the bottle is hot because it creates an exothermic reaction. But yeah, so I'm gonna put the other video side by side for the reaction so you can see the difference. But make sure to check those videos out also. But yeah, this is just a fun little experiment you can do with your kids. You can do it yourself if you want. More videos coming soon. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment. Tracy out. Peace.